Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Hand blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500 milliliter chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt. Heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly. Kitchen mat. Premium material. Mattitude kitchen mat is manufactured from superior material that is safe to your family. Premium material withstand the test of time and help keep their shape even with extended and heavy use. Comfortable. The 0.40 inches anti-fatigue kitchen mats are ergonomically engineered to provide a perfect blend of soft texture and firm support. Standing on it feels like walking on a firm but soft cloud. Classic and versatile. The 2-pack rugs for kitchen are measured as 17.3 into 47 inches and 17.3 into 29 inches in dimension. The pattern and color complement kitchen nicely and make the foam mats perfect for home or commercial use. Kitchen knife set. High-quality knife set. High-quality stainless steel kitchen knife set is durable and rust-resistant for longer and more frequent use. All-in-one kitchen knife set. 15-piece knife set includes 8-inch chef's knife, H slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, H serrated bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear, knife block with built-in knife sharpener. Sharp knife set. The knives are carefully tuned for maximum sharpness for fast food cutting. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Meat thermometer, instant read food thermometer. Our instant read thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience, and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Cleaning brush. The Crevice Gap Cleaning Brush Tool by UWEME is a noteworthy addition to any cleaning arsenal, particularly for those keen on tackling those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. This set includes 6 handheld groove gap cleaning tools, thoughtfully designed to streamline the tedious task of cleaning various surfaces, including doors, windows, and kitchen appliances. Constructed from durable nylon and plastic materials, the brushes exhibit resistance to wear, reinforcing their longevity. Users will appreciate the medium firmness of the brushes, which strikes a balance between effective cleaning and the gentleness required on delicate surfaces. The multicolor option not only adds a vibrant touch, but also helps in distinguishing between the brushes for different uses, enhancing organization during cleaning sessions. Measuring 9.84 into 7.87 into 0.68 inches and weighing merely 1.6 ounces, this compact set is exceptionally easy to store and handle. The included components, a holder, and various attachments demonstrate UWEME's thoughtful design, ensuring that tools are easily accessible and ready for use when needed. Furthermore, with a solid average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on over 2,000 customer reviews, it's clear that many users have found great value in this product. Vegetable slicer. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. For salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances with its robust design and powerful capabilities. Functioning at 1,000 watts, this blender is engineered to handle a variety of tasks from mixing and blending to crushing ice and pureeing ingredients. The large 72-ounce capacity is perfect for families or those who enjoy entertaining, allowing multiple servings to be prepared in one go. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its total crushing technology, which utilizes stainless steel blades designed to create a smooth blend in seconds. This is particularly effective for creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and even soups. The device offers 4 distinct speed settings, giving users the flexibility to achieve the desired consistency based on the type of ingredients being processed. This blender is remarkably lightweight, weighing in at just 7.1 pounds, making it easy to handle and store. The push-button controls are intuitive and allow for seamless operation, even for those new to blending. Additionally, the unit is BPA-free, ensuring that the materials are safe for food preparation. Mandoline Food Slicer. Chopping and slicing vegetables made easy. Our upgraded vegetable chopper offers more than 10 ways to cut vegetables, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. 1. 4 slice settings, from extremely thin to 6 mm thick. 2. 2 julienne settings, from 2.2 mm to 5 mm thick. 3. 2 waffle modes. Better quality for lasting performance. We've addressed common issues with other graters, such as rusty blades and broken brackets. Our durable stainless steel blade and non-slip pad ensure long-lasting use. This sharp blade can smoothly cut potatoes, carrots, onions, tomatoes, cheese, cabbage, cucumber, etc. Jar spatula. Set includes small spatula, jar spatula. Small spatula is ideal for use with saucepans and small mixing bowls. Jar spatula reaches into skinny jars, blenders, food processors, and other tight spaces to clear out ingredients. Flexible edges are polished and beveled to get every bit from bowls and jars. Long handles have a sturdy nylon core and soft, non-slip grip. Non-scratch, heat-resistant silicone construction is dishwasher safe.